Julian, you've been working for Ward High-Tech for just over 12 months now, and you bring to market the Hwacheon range. What is it about this range you enjoy?
I think the thing about the Hwacheon is there's a machine for everybody. There really is a machine for everybody, from the entry-level 200 size machine up to the 230 multi-axis, multitasking type machine with sub-spindle, Y-axis, and all the bits that go with it, up to the 450s. As we stood in front of now, this is a 2-axis machine. There's a 3-axis version. There's a 4-axis, 5-axis version of the same machine. We go to the 550, the 700. Cracking machines, built very, very solidly, very powerful machines. And as I say, there is something for just about every machine shop.
So what's the USP with Hwacheon then? Why would you go for this over another brand?
Well, there's a lot of different ideas being punted about, to be perfectly honest. I personally like the look of them. I think they look incredible. But the thing about them is the build quality. They're all box guideway machines, every one of them. All the high-tech versions of machines, they're all either gearbox drive or different motor drive, P-motor drives. But they're all box guideway, and as I said, there is something for everyone.
Right, and so do you have them here in stock then in Sheffield?
Well, as we are surrounded by them today, yes, we do keep a considerable amount of stock. But it's the market we're in. We like to have things available on short delivery. We like to be able to accommodate a customer and what he wants. He wants different things. He wants assistance in getting a machine. We're there to advise him. We've got them as different machines we can show him. We can demonstrate them, we can show them cutting, we can show them that various different people have actually got them as users, and we can offer various other different aspects of service and support from here, and it's all under one roof.
Brilliant. So you're telling me that you can pretty much provide a solution to pretty much anybody?
I hate the word solution, but because everybody uses a solution. But yes, yes we can, yes we can. We can offer a solution based on any of the Hwacheon or any other of the machines which are actually around us today.
And how do you make it more accessible for your customers regarding the purchasing process?
Well, there are various different finance initiatives available at the moment. I think everybody's well aware of the coronavirus now. I mean, it's a daily thing, isn't it? But CBILS has come out of that, the CBILS initiative from the government. Our own buy now, pay in 6 months is available on all of the stock machines here. And of course, we like to look at things in a different way. We always talk to our customers quite in depth about the finance initiatives that are available, what we can do, and realistically, not really what we can do, but what are they looking for? That's what they really want to know. We can offer various different things that we can keep on punting out, but what we always say is, what do you need? What do you want? What's going to be best for you as a customer to help you buy a machine?
Brilliant. And Julian, you've got a great character to you. I'm sure lots of customers would like to be speaking to you. How do they get in touch and speak to you about the machines?
Well, they can always contact me on my email or via the office. I hesitate to give my mobile number out because there's all sorts of different people out there, aren't there?
Brilliant. Well, there you have it. Get in touch with Ward High-Tech and Julian here regarding your Hwacheon machines.
Thank you very much.